Today I'm going to show you how to replace the mini key battery. First thing, release the emergency key. Press the button here, yeah, release it like that. Okay, use the flathead screwdriver, okay, big one, yeah. Don't use the small one, okay, because you will damage the cover. Insert the screwdriver in here, yeah. Push it up, yeah. Once it's up, yeah. See the battery there? Okay. Use a small screwdriver. Get the battery out. To replace it, yeah, go in like that, yeah. Go in like that. Press it down, and then put the put this cover back in, yeah. The battery cover back in. Yeah, press it down, and then put this cover in. See, put in like that, yeah. Press it down, and then the emergency key go in like that. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.